Hey guys, welcome back with me, Eddie. This is the game case Raspberry Pi CM3 GBA with 3.5-inch display screen. The GBA game cartridge is just for display. You can't take it out. This GBA you need to cut to trim a lot before you can fully assembly, and this model is already discontinued. But I always like GBA style gaming console, so we bring this guy a total new life. From the white display screen to more look alike original GBA, and we name as G4A CM4 Games for All CM4. Green circuit board without game cartridge slot to a cream white circuit board with game cartridge slot. Old Raspberry Pi CM3 module to latest Raspberry Pi CM4 module. Before we move on to the system, let's check this CM4 console. Front, we have 3-inch screen with 640x480 resolution. Left hand side is D-pad, start select button, and a original PS Vita analog stick. Right hand side is ABXY button and a speaker. On top of the right hand side is R1 and a small round custom R2 button. Left hand side is L1 and also a small round custom L2 button. Center of the top of the console have a EXT port as charging port, and also a game cartridge slot for SD card and Wi-Fi. Move to left side of bottom for this console is a power switch. Right hand side we have a earpiece hole and a volume slider to control the volume. Move to the back is two pieces of 14500 3.7 watt rechargeable battery with 800 mAh. These have two different types of game cartridge. This is a simple and clean game card, is without Wi-Fi, only for SD card. This game card is with Wi-Fi module. It does look more complicated and have more IC chip on it, also with a SD card slot. Let's have a close look for the new design circuit board. This is a speaker connector, volume slider to adjust the volume, earpiece connector. This is the connector for game card. LR2 button connector. PS Vita analog stick connector. Power switch. This connector is for another type's PSP slider stick. For stick, you may choose to use the original PSP or PSP slider stick. This slider stick is with 4-pin flex cable. Trigger buttons, EXT charging port, and a connector for screen display and CM4 module. Connect the screen and Raspberry Pi CM4 with this secure board. And this is how it look like after you connect all. Let's move to the operating system. Power on the console. And we have RetroPie with this console now. We can have different type of operating system with this GBA. Currently the developers is still working out for the image. Batocella, RetroPie, Laka, RetroLX. The one with me now is still not the best and stable version. I think it's good to have more choice for different type of operating system. Let's try and see the Recordbox operating system. And last, this is Batocella operating system. I just downloaded this Batocella OS after I watched from YouTube that now I know it does support Wii and GameCube games. I haven't done anything and try yet as I don't have any those emulator ROMs. Let's have fun with some games and emulator. That's it for this video. I will shoot another video to show how to DIY yourself with this GBA CM4 kits. If you like this video, please give me a thumb and share it. Bye, see you next video.